fall into this beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom pond front custom home with a southern exposure that is east of Route 1, and has easy access to downtown Lewes, shopping, dining, the beaches, and Cape Henlopen State Park. It has features such as an open floor plan, great room, 9-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, gas fireplace, large gourmet kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, sunroom, master bedroom suite with bath, and 2 additional bedrooms and a guest bath on the main floor. The second floor offers a loft, the 4th and 5th bedrooms, a guest bath, and a walk-in attic. Let us not forget the lush landscaping that surrounds the home, the rear deck with electric awning, exterior lighting, lawn irrigation with well, and access to the conditioned crawl space for additional storage that is in the large 2-car garage. All of this is conveniently located in the villages of 5 Points East, that offers low homeowners association fees, 2 pools, clubhouse, walking trails, tennis courts, and just steps away from the Junction-Breakwater Trail. Call for an appointment today.